Hi, today we're at West Coast Kia and we're taking a look at a 2018 Kia Soul EX Plus trim level. As you can see, it's got machined alloy wheels, signal repeaters in those two rear view mirrors, fog lights, and some roof racks up there. Notice a big green sticker in the upper right hand side of the windshield which says that this Soul qualifies for the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. There's many features and advantages to the purchaser, and please inquire with our business manager as to what those are. This front and the driver and passenger side of the car. As we get on the car, there's a sign in the window that says Sirius XM is on, which means that you get a free 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio included with the car. Opening the door, power windows, locks, and mirrors, and the exterior mirrors are heated. Car has a heated leather steering wheel and also has some mood lighting, which I'll demonstrate. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls, as well as various other functions to do with the vehicle. Only 8,545 kilometers on this one. AM/FM CD radio with Sirius XM. Climate control, heated cloth seats, and down below some inputs for your auxiliary and USB devices, and push button start. I'm going to get into the car and close the door, and we'll demonstrate those mood lights for you. As you notice, they turn blue, and now they're going to turn purple. They're going to turn a light pink. They're going to turn red. And it goes through a cycle, and you can set that to either work as you're seeing it now, or you can set it to pulse to the music. A rather nice feature that Kia's put into the car. Getting back out of the car now and going to the back. Plenty of room back here for your passengers. Everybody will be comfortable riding in this Soul. Those seats, of course, are a 60-40 split, and they do fold down. So you can carry some people, you can carry some cargo, you can put your skis back there. We also have a reverse camera back here. Opening the door, there's plenty of room back here for suitcases, hockey bags, soccer equipment, whatever you do with your spare time. We can accommodate the equipment for that. Again, this 2018 Kia Soul is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. We're about 20 minutes from absolutely anywhere in the Lower Mainland. Come on down and see us. And remember that to make an informed decision, you need to know the facts. And to get the facts, you have to drive this car and see how nicely it performs and how well it handles.